tanghali, magandang buhay, magandang araw po sa lahat. Kumusta po ang bawat isa mga kapatid? Live tayo ng 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes dito sa YouTube. Kumusta po ang bawat isa mga kapatid, kapamilya? Saan man po tayo naroon? Ang laki-laki ng ibag ko. Yung ibag ko parang nagpuyat ng isang linggong diretsyo. Nagkape tayo. Makikape tayo dito sa Saan ba dito sa banda sa inyo? Washing zone. Nandito kami sa washing zone. Ito Halika dito Maningning. Palakihin natin tong para may pangkaldereta. Ayan Game? Nagtago tuloy. Ayan. What's your name? You are Cheche o Lawizi? What's your name? Wizi? Wizi wala Cheche. Cheche! Tumingin siya. Cheche! Ay, Cheche. Yung kumot naman niya kasi kumakapit yung kuko niya doon, Kumusta ang buong araw? Buong linggo natin mga kapatid. Ayan, tapos na naman ang isang linggo. Isang linggo pa, 1 week na lang ba? 1 week na lang, December na. More than 1 week kasi we are 22 ngayon. Saturday, November 22, 2025. So, ilang araw na lang December na, di ba? Kabilis lang. Parang kailan lang ang Pasko. Ngayon magpapasko na naman. Kabilis lang ang araw. Nag-aantay ng oras. Nagpapalipas ng oras. Kasi mamaya punta tayo ng Madinat Sayed. Maghahanap tayo ng shout out sa 1 million in the house. Magandang araw, magandang tanghali, magandang buhay po, whoever you are. Kung sino ka man, magpakilala ka. Salamat sa tamsak. Yan, 3 million in the house. Shout out po. Mega love shout out. Dennis Kaiser. Hello po. Kumusta po sa inyo? Kumusta po tayo? Ayan, si Kabsat Gael Villaloid 1456. Hello from France. Wow. Hello. How is everything there in France? And Maria Mimi, are you working? No, at the moment, no, I'm not working. I'm drinking coffee. Let's drink coffee. It's weekend today, so there's no work. Kaya let's take coffee. Yan. Thank you so much. 7 million in the house. Shout out po. Maria Mimi S605F. I am in Dubai. We're in Dubai, my friends. We are in Abu Dhabi. This message is for review. But nag-automatic tong si Lolo, nagre-review siya ng Trisbon. Trisbon, what does it mean, brother, sister? Very good in English. Okay, so that's a French word. Trisbon. Trisbon, very good. Bonjour. Yan lang ang alam kong Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, yan. Mga French word. Very good in English. Trisbon, maganda or Trisbon is maganda or very good in English? Yes, bonjour, bonsoir, yan lang yung mga alam na Kay Elvia Lord 1456. Ayan. So how's everything going there in France? How's the weather, everything, work, etc. Ayan. Maria Mimi, maganda. Ayan. Very good. Thank you so much for watching. Yan, so stay safe po wherever you are. Yan, mag-live tayo saglit dito sa dito sa YouTube. Bonjour, bonjour. Are you from France, my friend, or you are from Philippines but living there now? Dirien Julie Dion Philly. I don't know if I am reading it right. Dirien Julie Dion Philly. I don't know. If Dirien Julie. So what does it mean? Ah, you live in France. You live there and you are from there originally also as well. France. We're in France exactly, my friend. Ama's food, the wishes. Hello, friend. Hello po. How are you? Good evening there. Yeah, yes, good evening there. So now here in UEA, Abu Dhabi we are still afternoon. 2 in the afternoon. I'm good. Thank you. Thank God. We are fine. We are good. Thank you so much for asking. So I hope everything is well also there. Everyone is well. Here, morning. Oh, okay. We're oh yeah, is that morning there in France? So what time now exactly there, my friend? Yeah, because now here in UEA is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Ah, you're from India. So it's morning there in India. Oh, we are ahead. What time exactly now there in India, my friend? Ama's food wishes. Yeah, there's a lot of Indian people here in UEA. 11:07 a.m. So we are ahead. 11, 12, 1. Oh, we are ahead here 3 hours. Oh yeah, it's part of Europe 3 hours. How's everything there in India, my friend? I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, so shout out sa 4 million in the house. Thank you so much for staying and watching. So please like also. Please come and visit my home. Oh, thank you so much for inviting. Ano to? I come. I don't know where you wanna go. Yan, 6 million in the house. Mega mega love shout out po sa lahat. Ayan, so isa pa lang yung nagtamsak. Salamat sa nagtamsak po. Watch my videos, my friend. Okay, I will visit, my friend. Yeah, I will visit your channel after this live. And Ama's food wishes. So for sure it is all about food because the channel is Food Wishes. Yes, thank you there. Tail, no problem. Yeah, I will visit your channel after this live. Thank you so much for watching. Give your valuable gift. How do you define valuable gift, my friend? Yeah. Do you celebrate Christmas over there as well? Yeah, please like also and subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, ay hindi pa sila tapos kaya doon. Oh, we are now 9 minutes and 48 seconds. Yeah, I will just live here for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Give me and subscribe, friend. Okay, I got it. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, please subscribe also. I will come and visit your channel also. your house. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes. Everyone is beautiful. Thank you so much, sis Gail Villard. Am I reading it right? I don't know. Yes. Yeah, I will. Thank you so much. It's real. Thank you. Watch 3 minutes. Yeah. We will. Yeah, we will do. I'll visit your house, your channel after this live. Wee is means yes, right? If not mistaken. Am I reading it right? Wee. If not, yeah, is it? No. Wee. I don't know. Bye, dear. I'm leaving. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I will visit your I will visit your channel after this. Thank you so much, Ama's Food Wishes. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please leave also a like before you leave. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh, I know. Wee is yes. Thank you there. No problem. Thank you as well. Yeah, thank you for the like, for the subscribe, for watching. Yeah, take good care, my friend, and have a good day. Like done, friend. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can see it from here. There is now two like, two thumbs up. We call it thumbs up or thumbs up. Thank you. Yeah, have a good day. Ama's Food Wishes. Avec plaisir. I don't know what does it mean. Look like I'm learning a French word now. Avec plaisir. I don't know if I'm reading it right or wrong, or I don't know. Avec plaisir. I don't know. What does it mean? Avec. Emoji. What does it mean in English, my friend? Avec. We will ask Google then. Because I only know French word like bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit. What else? I forgot na. Gato, mga ganun ba? Bon appetit. Yes, those are the only words I know. Yeah, we are now live 13 minutes. So I guess this is enough for today. So we will do it another day. Yeah, we'll try to live more here in YouTube. Because I haven't done uploading videos. Long videos. So thank you so much. Yes, sa mga nanood at sa mga manonood, sa mga magla-like, magko-comment and everything. Go working. Okay. Okay. So have a good day and take care and enjoy your work. Yeah, I'm gonna end now also this live, my friend. So thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for the like and for the subscribe and for watching. Merci, yes, you're welcome. Merci beaucoup. Merci is thank you, right? If not mistaken. Merci beaucoup. Is thank you. Yeah, enjoy your day and yeah, very good. Merci, very good. Yeah. Very good. What does very good again? That it is, I forgot the first word. Terenjuri. Tresbon. Real future friends. It's hard to learn the word. Yeah. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Buku buku. You know what buku means in Filipino? It is a coconut. young coconut, that is buko. Mercy in us is it's a name. It's a name for a woman like Mercy. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend. Yeah, so enjoy your day and take good care. And I hope everything is going well over there. Everything is okay. So thank you so much. So we'll see you again sa next live natin. So, do you speak Filipino, my friend? Yeah, I hope. Yeah. Thank you so much. So, I will end now this. So, 3 million in the house. Thank you so much sa panunood po. See you po ulit sa susunod nating live. Salamat, salamat. Take care and God bless po. Bye-bye. Yan. See, my eye bag is like, maraming bag. Okay, may humabol na isang nanood. Aurivore. Aurivore. What does it mean, aurivore? Does it mean au revoir? Au revoir is bye-bye. Au revoir. Besus. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Ingat-ingat. Yan, God bless po. So, au revoir.